Hello everyone, in this video we are converting from order basis to base 10. Convert 2, 4, 3 base 5 to base 10. Solution 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. 2 times 5 power 2 plus 4 times 5 power 1 plus 3 times 5 power 0. 2 times 25 plus 4 times 5 plus 3 times 1. 50 plus 20 plus 3 equals to 75. Base 10. Answer. Convert 1210 base 3 to base 10. Solution 1210 is 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 3 power 3 plus 2 times 3 power 2 plus 1 times 3 power 1 plus 0 times 3 power 0. 1 times 27 plus 2 times 9 plus 1 times 3 plus 0 times 1. 27 plus 18 plus 3 plus 0 equals to 48. Base 10. Convert 2, 4, 3 base 6 to base 10. Solution 2, 4, 3 power 0, 1, 2. 2 times 6 power 2 plus 4 times 6 power 1 plus 3 times 6 power 0. 2 times 36 plus 4 times 6 plus 3 times 1. 72 plus 24 plus 3 equals to 99 in base 10. Convert 301 base 5 to base 10. Solution 301 power 1 0 power 1 0 power 1 power 2. 3 times 5 power 2 plus 0 times 5 power 1 plus 1 times 5 power 0. Have 3 times 25 plus 0 times 5 plus 1 times 1. 75 plus 0 plus 1 equals to 76. Base 10. Thank you for watching.